Hello and welcome to Hitch Up and Tow. Today you'll find us at a caravan and motorhome club site, which is a certified location, a CL, a 5-van site, and this is the entrance. This isn't a proper review because if you look back through my videos, we've already done a review on this. I think last year, might have been the year before. It's just a basic CL. It's non-electric, grass site. It's basically just a grass field. Elson pipe, drinking water, and that's it. Now this is the driveway off the road. And you will see there's a gate here. Now this gate has been open since we've been here. Excuse me. Last time we were here it was shut with a sign saying please close gate behind you. Which is no problem because you can pull off the road with your car and caravan, doesn't matter what size it is, it will fit down this drive. So you're well clear of the road before you need to stop and open the gate. Now once you get past this area, you are now in the CL. Don't know if you can see from here, don't really want to intrude on those people down there in their caravan, but just in front on the ground, I don't know if you can see it, but there is the Elson point. These are the views across the valley. This is Hitch Up and Tow. And these are the bins, which recycling, you know, cardboard, metal, paper, glass, that sort of thing. And there's no actual set pictures, just pitch up where you want and set up, and that's it. We've decided to come at the back because you're slightly higher and you get a better view over the valley. The people in front of us have actually got a spot with a gap in the hedge, so they got a view anyway. Now I said in front of them was the Elson point. Over in that corner, I don't know if you can see the sign, but there is the water tap. And above us, I don't know if you can see it, it's a plane. There's horses in the fields over there. And I think the rest of it is agriculture. But yeah, that is basically it. Like I say, this isn't really meant as a review. This is just to test out the body cam and to see what it's like. So as long as it has recorded, I will put this up and everyone can see if it was worth the purchase. So thanks for watching and bye for now.